How to connect the steering wheel to GTA 5 PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to connect your steering wheel to GTA 5 on the PlayStation 5. Whether you're using a Logitech, Justice Master, or a Fanatec wheel, I'll show you the step-by-step process to get everything up and running smoothly. Let's get started. Step 1. Check compatibility. Make sure your steering wheel is compatible with the PS5 and supports PS4 games. GTA 5 runs in backward compatibility mode. Popular compatible wheels include the Logitech G2090, Justice Master T150, and T300RS. Step 2. Connect the wheel. Plug the USB cable into one of the PS5's front USB ports. If your wheel has a power adapter connected to a power source, your wheel should calibrate automatically when turned on. Step 3. Switch to PS4 and PS5 mode. Some wheels have a switch for PS4 and PS5 or PC modes. Make sure you set to PS4 or PS5 mode so the console recognizes it correctly. Step 4. Start GTA 5 story mode first. Turn on your PS5, launch GTA 5, and enter story mode. This helps ensure the wheel is detected properly before switching to online mode. Step 5. Test the controls. Get into a car and check if the wheel steers, pedal works, and button respond. You may need to tweak sensitivity in GTA settings under controls. Optional. Update firmware. For the best performance, update your wheel's firmware using your PC. This can fix compatibility or sensitivity issues. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to connect your steering wheel to GTA 5 on the PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.